When you're screen printing t-shirts, it's very important to get your print centered on your t-shirt. And the way you do that is you get your t-shirt centered correctly on your platen. Now, if you have your t-shirt off to one side or the other, your print is not going to appear centered. Today, we're going to talk about how to get your t-shirt onto your platen straight so that your print looks great, and we're starting right now. Welcome to free print advice from NorCal Screen Print Supply. If you're looking to deepen your knowledge in screen printing and become more successful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. As always with this video series, please stick around to the end of the video where we share additional tips and tricks. We would also like to ask you, what is the hardest part for you about loading your shirt onto the screen printing press? Have you developed your own method? Leave us a comment below. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is grab our shirt by the seams on the shoulders and give it a shake. Then from here, we're going to flip the shirt upside down and we're going to open it with our fingers. Keep it open like that. So we are going to pull the shirt about 3/4 onto the pallet, and then we're going to clear the shirt underneath the bracket, and we're going to go ahead and pull the shirt all the way onto the pallet. From here, we're going to take a look at our shirt and see, does it need to come back and to our right or to our left? And we're going to grab again by the seams. In this case, we're going to pull it a little bit to the right, pull it back off of the pallet, and then we're going to pull it all the way on again. By the second pull, you have it right about in the middle, and so the trick here is to go ahead and grab it by the seams, lift the shirt off the pallet, bring it back to where you want it, and drop it straight down. In this case, I'm pulling the shirt to where my neckline is right at the end of the pallet. From here, we can give it a little kind of smoothing. If there's any wrinkles, we can smooth them out. And as you can see, we have our shirt ready to go. So a few things to note with this. You don't want to spray too much pallet adhesive onto your pallet because it becomes really hard to get the shirt on. In addition to that, you don't want to spray pallet adhesive on the edges of your pallet because they'll grab onto the shirt, making it really difficult to pull onto the pallet. Another thing you want to check when you have the shirt on the pallet is the bottom of the sleeves. Are they even with each other, or is one further on than the other? It's going to be an indicator that your shirt is sitting crooked on the pallet. Pay attention to where the sleeves are. One thing you don't want to do is to try to get the shirt even on the pallet by pulling from the side. And I'll demonstrate this real quick. So if it's not where I want it, I don't want to come over here and pull it this way, or come over here and pull it that way, and repeat the same simple steps. And there we have it. So another thing you don't want to do is not lift up. If you don't lift the shirt up off the pallet, it's going to skip when you pull it back. We don't want it to skip. We want to lift it up off the platen and pull back and drop it where we would like. They look about even and we're good to go. Thanks for watching our video today. I hope that this helps you when you load shirts onto your press. And we would love it if you left us a comment and subscribe to our channel. We have a lot of cool things coming. Thank you.